What is up, everyone? Lee Easton here, LinkedIn friends, community banks, credit unions. This is for you. I am president and founder of Identify. We guide banks to usable and actionable data in the cloud. We've been working on a skill in Claude connected to Jack Henry Silver Lake as a sandbox. It's incredible, and I wanted to come on LinkedIn and just show you guys. A lot of our customers and prospects have been talking about connecting Claude or using Claude to interact with core data. This is your demo. This is how it's done. I'm going to run through a few sample queries so you can see the capability, the type of stuff you can produce, the outcomes, the action items, the strategy. So buckle up. Quick video, 5 minutes or less. I'm going to shrink my window here and share my screen. Let's get started. Okay, let's open this project and start off with a query I'm going to copy and paste in. This query is essentially asking, I want to do an analysis on this data set, make sure Google BigQuery is connected, make sure you're using our organization skill with Jack Henry Silver Lake. Show me basic insights on this data. What am I looking at? Tell me more about it so I can make decisions from there. It prints out a nice result, checking deposits, savings accounts. It gives me values, and then it goes into more of a visual detail where we have pie charts and graphs so I can better explore and navigate that data set. We've got deposits by state broken out here, which is great to have. And then we've got an officer leaderboard, which is also very useful. Gives us some quick strategy on like cross-selling opportunities. The key thing is in our skill, we've got these buttons above. These help me prompt further to dive deeper. So I'm going to do a quick deposit runoff click. Okay, loaded. Show me this deposit runoff. Uh-oh, doesn't look good. I can look at erosion by product now, and it's just visualizing this. We've got a little bit behind the skill here, some KPIs that we care about. That's what it's referencing behind the scenes. But now I have an idea of what my deposit runoff is. Let's show me the average CD rate and model repricing scenario if rates drop, I don't know, 50 basis points, 100 basis points at maturity in 2025, so last year for this bank. Let's see what happens. Okay, querying, getting the results, pull straight from Google BigQuery in this case through the MCP. We've got a nice breakdown. The key thing here is that it's going to give me potentially more analysis below, and then these buttons again. So let's say, this is helpful. This helps guide me through the scenario of maybe annual savings per account, which is good. I want to show concentration risk. Let's go a little bit deeper. Show me the concentration risk, areas how I can mitigate when providing the visual. Give me a slider scale. This is big. Slider scale to view how concentration in certain areas might impact the business. So I've done slider scale graphs. They help a lot. There's not a lot of tools out there unless you're in like a Sigma or something, Power BI, where you can do that. Claude's got it native. So if you request that slider scale view, it's going to pull that. I'm going to go ahead and pre-prompt just to keep things moving. I know you guys are watching here. We've got funding broken down. We've got how to mitigate maybe what's going on top 10, 25, and 50 balances and what percentage they make up of those accounts. So our concentration risk. Here's the actual view I want to see. So we've got our top borrowers. Our largest single loan is 42%. That's pretty scary. Let's slide this back and forth just to understand where we need to be contained rather than severe in our risk tolerance. So we broke that down by borrowers default and top depositors that are leaving. All right, I pre-prompted this last one just to make sake of your time. I'm going to go ahead and run this because guess what? Sometimes this information we get out of Claude, we're going to want to put that in a PowerPoint and show it to the board. Well, Claude can do that. So with a quick query, boom, I've got a PowerPoint file generated right here. All the slides are created. You download it straight from your chat. So I'm going to save this to my desktop. You can also use your chat interface here, scroll down, and then download and open right here. It tells you what's inside. It's got 7 slides, essentially, just a brief overview. We could get more detail, but just for the sake of this demo, let's take a look. Did it actually work? Is it going to load in PowerPoint? Boom, here we are. It's got our balance sheet at a glance, our deposit composition, everything year to date. I could have asked for monthly for the last 3 years, whatever. But this is the kind of stuff that here I am, not even a banker, and within 5 minutes, I can pull a lot of data together for my board. So that is all, guys. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this was helpful. Comment, like the video, reach out if you have any questions. We love doing this stuff, and we're here and happy to help you guys. Thank you.